If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come, bring my spirits up. There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.
Driving in the rain in the city by the bay, where it always rains. Raindrop.
Look forward to
101 north is on the left, and then next exit on the right.
Yeah, somewhere.
Next exit on the right, and then right turn.
Here, rainbow.
Two-tenths of a mile, right turn onto Mission Street.
Slow down, baby. You're good, like in the city now. You're not on the highway anymore. Okay.
Turn here. I guess I have to.
It's nice to be off the highway. She's directing like. Yeah.
Next slight left.
Like an angle. The streetcar lines.
The tickets. This must be way up there on the windshield. Is somebody help anybody?
It's showing like that, I guess. Like where that little cart.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I know you know what you're doing. You've driven in these cities lots of times.
Oh,
Sucks in navigationals. Everything's just reflecting. Oh, the penthouse up there. What's that?
how are people in the streets? So.
Even though it's rainy and wet. Are they locked in safe?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Ah, that guy's zooming over there.
Proceed about 2 miles to Lombard Street.
What street?
Lombard Street.
Oh, I thought I said Walmart.
Oh my god. Oh, she got a doggy. Whoa. Electric scooter. He's what?
Looks familiar.
Oh. I don't like how close he is. They don't, I mean, it's a city. It rains here all the time. I guess they just, they'd never go out if the rain kept them in, I guess.
Yeah, he's got a can for a pipe.
Oh.
You could have got run over really
Yeah,
easy.
they don't care though. Sometimes they'll throw themselves on your car on purpose, wanting you to run them over. We've had it happen before. Fell Street. There's something that intersects this street that we used to go to. I can't think of what it was though. Huh, there's that blue light building you can see from the roadway. Land-a-lease, huh? Oh, lend-a-lease. Something colorful right there with pink and blues. Cool balcony thing up there. Wow, what is that? It's pretty. Wow, what is it? Shocking. I don't know what it is. That looks like a bank. Oh no. It is. Wow, these really old buildings now. City Hall. That's where everyone likes. My cousin got married there. That's where they have that really pretty rotunda.
Shut the up.
Was it the person next to us honking?
Just people honking
Oh.
and yelling, and just there's always stuff.
Carrying on.
Guy trying to smoke weed out of a aluminum can in the rain in a medium. That's
Like
all.
an inch from your door.
And, yeah, an inch from my door.
Yeah. God, this is the big city. You can see out here better. It's just too many raindrops. Sushi. Round table. Eddy Street. I think there used to be a sports pub. We used to go down to there to the Polo Club. I think that might have been like so long ago. I don't remember. But our car got broken into while we were in there, and our leather jackets got stolen. They broke the window, stole some of Jason's tools. Oh, that's a hospital, Sutter Health Wellness Center. That might just be like doctor's offices. Mel's Kitchen. I feel like I've heard of that. Not Mel. I know Mel's Diner. Established 1947. It's still going. That's cool. Car dealerships. Bush Street. I remember all these streets. to that. There's an ATM in there, I think, that we've used before. Or maybe not the Wells Fargo. What happened?
People almost becoming speed bumps.
Oh my gosh. Scary. Pretty church.
Hey.
Play, remember that one too? Academy of Art, isn't that where your niece went to art school? House of Prime Rib! What? We used to go there when we were meat eaters.
In half of a mile,
So good.
left turn
It is so
onto
good.
Lombard Street.
So good.
Yeah. But like, don't plan on doing anything else that night.
No.
It's so full.
Don't even want to drive.
And that House of Prime Rib's been there forever too. There's another church. Wow, what a beautiful church. Gosh, it's gorgeous. Broadway. What happens on Broadway stays on Broadway. Whew. It's acting like a
Leo.
laundrette. When's the last time you saw one called a laundrette?
Is he laundry?
And these are the, like, housing.
There's your garage.
Yeah, there's your little garage, if you're lucky.
Yeah.
Those garages go so far deep in there, though, it's crazy. You can park like 7 cars in some of them. And it just looks like that simple little door.
And most of them are filled with boxes and storage.
Yeah. I don't know what that weird little flag is. Chan's trains and hop. Oh, okay, got it. Luxury pillows. Oh my God, there's a whole store for pillows.
Wow, there's actually pillows in there.
Oh, there's like emoji pillows and
Fake. It's a front.
What do you mean? It's the pillow store.
Oh. You don't have a pillow store in your town?
Dim sum.
Dim sum what?
This is the place to get pho and like all that kind of. Get your noodles
For what?
Left turn
for
ahead,
fun.
and then your destination is ahead on the right.
Look, there's a star. Christmas.
Listen to that.
Uh-oh.
Greenwich.
It says in 400 feet you take a left, right? So far so good. Good thing he knows how to drive in this city. Wow, there's some cool. Gosh, I wish you guys could see better. There's the travel watch by Wyndham.
You have arrived at your destination. The route guidance is now finished.
Job, honey. Honey. Oh, we could get covered parking. Perfect.
It's my old car. What a trip. Oh, wait.
Cutlass?
Is it? No.
This is like a Cutlass Supreme. What is it?
Grand Prix. Where is the office right there? Okay, so I guess I will park.
You never answered me though. What is the car?
I don't know what that is. A
Cutlass Supreme, yeah. We had one forever. Smells fine. So it's very dark. Oh, good, and there's no window because that was my only thing about the ground floor I was thinking. So very basic room. Clean though, nice. Furniture's in good shape. Little table, regular bathroom, shower, no tub, but that's fine. Could be connecting if you wanted. So yeah, I'm happy with it. A little over $100 for the room and $25 for parking.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just be love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for watching.
Bring my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix.